Again on the same page 25, these questions are given. So let's begin. On page number 254, the first question is 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 3. We have to simplify and write in exponential form. As you know that when bases are same, we have discussed in our exercise also, when bases are same, then the powers are added, and when powers are same, then bases are multiplied. So here the bases are same, so it can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3, which makes it 2 raised to the power 8. So 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 3 gives the answer 2 raised to the power 8. Let's have a look at the second question. We have done this question, now we are on this question. PQ into P square. PQ into P square. In the same way, this one will also, here the base is same, P, so it will be P power 3 plus 2, P power 5. Understood? Easy? Let's come to the third question. Third question is 4Q into 4 square. Like it was PQ into P square, this is 4Q into 4 square. So its answer will be exactly 4 raised to the power 5. How? 3 plus 2 is 5. But we will add one more step also here. 4 raised to the power 3 plus 2. That is 4 raised to the power 5. This is the answer. Now let's move to our fifth question. Fifth question is 5Q into 5 raised to the power 7 into 5 raised to the power 12. Now let's solve this. As here the two numbers were multiplied, so the bases were added. If three numbers are multiplied and also the base is same, then also the exponents are added. So it will be equal to what? 3 raised to the power, 5 raised to the power 3 plus 7 plus 12. That is 5 raised to the power 22. This is our answer. Easy one. Now let's hope you have understood the try these of page number 255. There are other questions in the try these also. Solve these the other questions yourself. Now we are on page number 225. Try these questions. From here we will solve 255 page number questions. So the first one is, on the top there is a box and some questions are given. In that the first one is 2 raised to the power 9 divided by 2 raised to the power 3. This is just opposite as we have discussed in our properties, that if the bases are same and numbers are multiplied, then powers are added. But when bases are same but the sign is of division, then the bases are subtracted. So it will be equal to what? 2 raised to the power, think about it, what we studied in our properties. Yeah, exactly. 2 raised to the power 9 minus 2. Okay? If in case this was 2 raised to the power 9 into 2 cube, then we would write 2 raised to the power 9 plus 3. Okay, sorry, here will be 3. But when there will be multiplication, then we do what? 2 raised to the power 9 plus 3. But when there is division, we will write 2 raised to the power 9 minus 3. I hope the picture is clear now. So it will be what? 2. What is the value of 9 minus 3? 6. So answer is 2 raised to the power 6. Easy. Let's move to the third question in the same segment. Third question is 9 raised to the power 11 divided by 9 raised to the power 7. The way we have solved the first question, in the same way the third one can also be solved. Here the base is 9, exponent is 11, base is 9, exponent is 7. So it can be written as 9 raised to the power 11, exactly, minus 7. 11 minus 7 gives us 4. So our answer is 9 raised to the power 4. Okay, let's move to the fifth question. Fifth question is 7 raised to the power 13 divided by 7 raised to the power 10. So this will be equal to 7 raised to the power 13 minus 10, that is 7 raised to the power 3. This is our answer. Hope you have understood these all questions. Now let's move to on the same questions of same page 255. There is a box in the bottom of the page also. First question is 6 square, then bracket, raised to the power 4. As we have discussed in our properties chapter, that when a number is has exponents several times after the bracket, like if it is a raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3, then what happens? The exponents are multiplied. It can be written as a 2 into 3. Okay, so in the same way we can write 6 raised to the power 2 into 4, 6 raised to the power 8. Let's revise why this happens. 6 square raised to the power 4 means if we write it expanded, it becomes 6 square into 6 square into 6 square into 6 square. This means what? 6 square is multiplied 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we have multiplied. Now when bases are same, then powers are added. And in the case of multiplication, so it becomes 6 power 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6 power 8. So directly you can write the answer, or if you want you can expand, then also find the solution. But using the property will save your time. Now the third question in this same segment is 7 raised to the power 50 raised to the power 2. So it is written as 7 raised to the power 50 into 2, that is 7 raised to the power 100. Now I hope that the picture is clear now. In our next video, we will solve try these of the next pages. Bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.